Hello everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson State Farm. Trent is my agent.com. Huge thanks to Trent, huge thanks to all of you, and a huge thanks to all of our other sponsors as well. We got at least few to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for tomorrow morning and through part of tomorrow, and perhaps a couple trying to linger into the afternoon hours. Not a big, huge rainfall event. It's not going to be overly widespread either. There's going to be variability in the rainfall as well, but some rain around. No severe weather currently expected, but the heavier rain and the severe weather has come next week, and this is after a really nice weekend with pleasant temperatures, crisp, cool nights. But then we get the severe weather that comes in on Monday, and perhaps some severe weather is trying to sneak in here by the end of next week. And then beyond that, it gets much colder, it gets drier, and we're looking at temperatures quite a bit below normal in early May. Pollen is very high, highest of the year. Here we are on Thursday. It's tied for the highest it's been all year. Mainly oak pollen is the biggest culprit here, and it remains high Friday and Saturday. Data courtesy of pollen.com. There's a live view now from our south side cam here at 4:05. Beautiful cumulus-filled sky over the Lafayette skies this afternoon with winds out of a southerly direction. It's breezy, beautiful skies here at Madairyville and Frankfort as well, with temperatures running around 80 to the mid-80s. It's 84 at Cayuga, Summary 84 at Kentland, Pineville, Genetica are at 82, and we're 81 at Flora, 81 degrees up here at Fulton and Logansport. The severe weather is all west of us. The severe thunderstorm and tornado watches are to the west. All the severe weather is going to stay there. It'll be west of us and southwest of us over about the next day and a half to 2 days. It comes in as a weakening wave of some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. This will come in early tomorrow morning. So for the commute in the morning, some of this starting to come in, but notice how scattered it is, and notice how it's falling apart as it's moving eastward. And then even into tomorrow afternoon, part of this moves out, but there's still going to be a couple spotty little showers or thunder showers around even into part of the afternoon. Then it clears out for tomorrow night. But rainfall's not that copious out of this. You can see the totals anywhere from 1/1300ths to perhaps 1/3 of an inch here and there. So for a lot of you farmers out there planting corn and soybeans, what this may do is just settle the dust, maybe wet in that very top layer of soil, and then it's going to dry right back out for the weekend. You'll get more planting done this weekend because all the severe weather risk is going to be west of us. Now, for tonight and Friday, it's west and southwest of us. As I said, this is marginal, slight, and enhanced risk away from our area. Now, this is looking at tomorrow. We've got marginal to slight risk southwest of us. There is a little pocket of marginal risk that Storm Prediction Center is painting here, more towards Ohio and eastern Indiana. Now, we look to Saturday, Sunday. Where's the risk? Well, it's west and it's southwest. We've got up to enhanced risk in the plains and more enhanced risk here, parts of the plains on Sunday. May even see an upgrade of moderate on one of these days. However, our risk is coming on Monday. So here we are. The weekend is fine. Again, a beautiful weekend, early Monday morning to Monday afternoon. So we are fine Sunday night, but Monday morning we may see one wave of some scattered showers and thunderstorms come through. If we're going to get anything out of that, it would be just a little bit of hail. But between that, the sun comes out. Between that and the cold front, the sun comes out and it warms up. It gets humid and muggy. We've got to watch back here during the afternoon because watch this pretty explosive area of thunderstorms blows up here in Illinois, Missouri, and Arkansas, and it impacts our area getting into the evening. So I expect late Monday afternoon and into Monday evening, we're going to see severe weather move through the area, probably a couple or a few supercells ahead of a main squall line that rakes the area. So it is slight risk for severe right now. You see the enhanced risk not far away. We'll wait and see, maybe even a pocket of moderate painted, but I do think the enhanced risk will be expanded northeastward to cover part of our forecast area because it's slight or a 2 out of 5 on the scale right now. And again, late afternoon, generally after 4 p.m., and then right through the evening hours for the risk of a couple tornadoes, damaging winds, hail, and some locally heavy rainfall as well. And there's that rain, so we take whatever we get tomorrow, and then we take whatever we get not only on Monday, but then again another system later next week, and the rain adds up. I mean, this is about 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches of rainfall area wide. And then once we get the Thursday, Friday system out of here, which will have some heavy rain and may even have some severe weather with it as well, depending on the storm track, the colder air comes in. So here's your warmth. Watch the colder air come in after any rainfall at the end of next week. Much cooler. Temperatures well below normal. We're going to have highs in the 50s. We're going to get overnight lows into the 30s, about 33 to 38, perhaps on 2 or 3 nights. But a drier weather pattern. The rainfall is below normal early to mid-May, and that below normal trend may take us even as late as late May, like around the 28th, before it gets much more active at the end of the month. So this is May 1st through the 5th. Canadian high pressure dominates, cool. At the very most, a little Alberta Clipper system may try to come through, but these are the projected lows on May 5th. 34 to about 38 shown here, but I think, again, 2 or 3 nights, 33 to 38 as the dryness rolls on. Again, that May 15th through 28th time frame, pretty much below normal rainfall for us. The axis of heavier rain in the plains. It's going to get stormy in the plains, and as we turn more summer-like by late month, that axis of severe weather will move eastward, and that May 29th through 31st period could be pretty stormy around here. So all that said, again, we've got the weakening showers and a few thunderstorms early tomorrow morning, and then decreasing during the day, but still a couple trying to linger into the afternoon on a windy day with highs in the low to mid 70s forecast area wide. Saturday's a nice day, north breeze, 69 the high, 48 in the morning. UV index very high on Saturday. You'll burn. We're getting to that point in the time of year with you get a day where it's mostly sunny like this, you're going to burn quite a bit outside. 65 to 72 should do it for high temperatures. And even Sunday looks good. Some increasing clouds, a breeze, cool in the morning at 45, but we've got the 70s by the afternoon. Some scattered shower storms, perhaps Monday morning. And then the bigger severe weather risk late afternoon and evening, 80, 68 Tuesday, some morning rain tapering off. Wednesday's fine, but then we watch Thursday, Friday. Now, depending on the track of that storm, that's what's going to determine whether we get more severe weather on Thursday, Friday. Regardless, rainfall is likely and some thunderstorms, 72 and the 60s respectively. And then we look a week from this weekend, look at those highs in the 50s to about 60, overnight lows running in the 30s.